Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Rengkat baru kawai kari India, hak jela Meghalaya ru, hak arp khandai trek, ubna jeliau arah jarkat khandai. Lakan mau burom, ya orang ba, ya uba kari India kala ainam ya kumuta ukpa, jongka Statistic, Profesor Presenta Chandra Mahalanobis, da ka Rakhe ya kasnikha ka jong Ya kawai na kani ka Rakhe, ya kani ka sngi ka balatip kum ka National Statistic Day. Kadai ka balapalong, da ka Office Trikam jong District Statistical Officer ka West Castles District, ringkat ka jentre lang, bat ka Nongstoiñ College. Bat ka phang padang jong kani ka Rakhe kadai ka baong ha katian nongway Sustainable Development Goals. Ya kani ka Rakhe la pelong ha Conference Hall jong ka Nongstoiñ College ha ka ba ka Additional Deputy Commissioner ka West Castles District ka AVD Shira kalalong ka Kongsan ringkat ka jinon lang ka Principal jong ka Nongstoiñ College ka Dr. I Mautho District Statistical Officer Southwest Castles Maukarwat ba CD Buam Inspector of Statistic AS Doling bat lawan yesimenta shikani Rakhe de kisamla pule jongani kathan.
Rate of the women folk. Why is it so low compared to the males? Is it because that male counterparts are more smarter, more intelligent? Huh, girls? Tell me. Now the beauty of giving you the data is what? This is an encouragement. Compared to the male literacy rate, that is 79.8. Women folk coming up only 78.57%. Please try to improve the status. Next time, whenever I come for a visit, I hope the status will go up to 90% rather than the male. All right?